I'm going to be your nurse today.
I remember being in kindergarten and they go around in a circle and they say what you want to be when you grow up. And I remember saying that I wanted to be a nurse and I wanted to take care of babies.
People ask you, oh, what do you do? Or if you're in your scrubs, are you a nurse? Where do you work? And I can't think of a time that anyone wasn't like, wow, you work at Abbott? They're incredible.
What is it about Abbott Northwestern that differentiates it from other really good healthcare institutions in the environment?
The reputation of Abbott Hospital depends so much on the nurses.
What makes the nurses special is their attitudes.
Anytime I come in to work here, I know that the nurses can handle whatever comes in the door.
Nurses have a much bigger role than caring for the sick. They have the role of being the support system for the whole family.
Your nurse is the person that's closest to you, but your family needs support almost more than you do.
Nurses are the listeners. They really are there to help understand what the patient needs.
Sometimes you get caught up into the technical facets of care, and the nurses can draw you back to the patient.
The Magnet Recognition Program is really an honor for all of our staff.
We are the only one in the Minneapolis-St. Paul Metro to have a magnet status.
It highlights the great work that nurses do each and every day and really demonstrates that we're among the best hospitals across the world.
There's such a sense of community here at Abbott between ancillary staff, nursing staff, physicians, and people always have one common goal.
The nurse-physician communication is second to none. If we want to maintain our position as the forerunner of healthcare, we have to invest in our nurses.
Nurses have been such an integral part of Abbott Northwestern.
The whole role of nurses is expanding dramatically. The skill sets that nurses need to have is continually growing, and so continuing education, just like in any other major profession, needs to be an important part of it.
There is a philosophical message to our nurses that we want them to be able to go get that training and to bring it back to us and bring it really to our patients.
Abbott Northwestern is a gift. It is a family, it is a legacy, and it is a place where the giving is never ending.
Our daughter and son-in-law were recently patients at the Mother-Baby Center. Sadly, their daughter was stillborn. We want to express gratitude for the extraordinary, compassionate, and loving care our children and our family receive. The professional team of midwives, nurses, and other staff helped our children through an impossible journey.
It's absolutely critical that we not only attract but retain the absolute best quality nurses.
We are growing the next generation of a workforce that will continue to improve the outcomes of patients.
I love the challenge of taking care of patients, the emotional support you give patients. The reward at the end of the day is priceless.
When a patient or a family member taps you on the shoulder and says to you, "Thank you for everything you've done for my mom or for me," that to me makes my day.